it's me, Lily. Today we are going to be doing King's Court with Squishies video. And yes, I have a tattoo. So if you don't know how King's Court works, basically say I pick out two random squishies. So say I pick out these two. I pick which one I like better, and then I put that one in the winner pile and put the other one in the losers pile. At the end of 2 rounds, I would pick from the winners. At the end of the first round, I would pick from the winners pile which one was my all-time favorite. So let's get on with the video. I'm going to do 1 round, by the way. I just like to make it better. So yeah, so let's get started. So we're going to pick the first round. Okay, first we have, our little smushy cake slice. Then we have our why do I keep saying that? Our cookie s'more. Damn, my fingernails are really ugly, but I don't really care what you guys think. I'm just kidding. Anyway, so I would probably choose the cake just because of how soft it is. So I'm going to put that in the winner pile down here. Alright, next is my bread. First, my Walgreens cupcake. I think this is pretty obvious. I definitely choose the bread. So we're going to put that in the winning pile, put the other one in the losers. Okay. Popcorn. First, my panda egg. And yes, my brother ripped the ears off. But now it's such a good stress ball. So, I would definitely choose the panda. This is my favorite squishy. Okay, next we're going to pick out my fruit pie. Stupid mowers. I'm sorry about the mowers. And then next we have our can of soda. I actually surprisingly am going to choose the can of soda just because it feels a lot better. I love the texture. So, yes. Alright, we're going to do 2 more rounds. Okay, so we have our donut squishy. First, our french fry squishy. I'm going to choose the french fries because I love how they look and I love the texture. I love how it's kind of hard. All right, last round to pick from the winners. Okay, the unicorn or the pink macaroon. I absolutely adore both of these, but I'm going to say the pink macaroon just because of how it feels. It feels amazing. All right, now aesthetic is great. I don't know why I just said that. Anyway, we're going to pick from the winners. This one get rid of. The macaroon. This one is totally my favorite. And I'm going to do I'm going to be starting a shout out of the day. So we're going to start with today's shout out of the day. So today's shout out of the day goes to Maya Traber. Maya Traber commented on my video. This video idea, so thank you so much, Maya. Also, feel free to comment more video ideas if you want to shout out my next YouTube video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, give it a like, share with your friends. Love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!